Once you hear about this method, you will never go back. Stick around with me to learn more about IBE so you can find a stylist near you.
You've seen the damage bad installs can cause. You've probably even had clients sit in your chair begging for a fix. With IBE, you won't just fix the problem, you'll prevent it from ever happening. Our patented method gives your clients the healthiest, most natural extensions while you build a business that finally pays you what you're worth. You've looked into IBE, now it's time to take the next step. The problem with most extension methods is they sacrifice long-term hair health for temporary results. That's why IBE is different. Our patented method is designed for high-quality, long-lasting results that protect your client's natural hair. The extensions are fully customizable, lightweight, and completely safe for the hair and scalp, so your clients leave with flawless, natural-looking hair that actually lasts. And the real win? Client satisfaction. With IBE, every install becomes a true transformation. Your clients feel more confident, more beautiful, and empowered to live their lives without worrying about damage or discomfort. This isn't just hair, it's a better experience for them and a better business for you.
Don't settle for less. Click the link below so you can find an IBE stylist near you to schedule your next transformation.